Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another 2023 Subaru BRZ video. Today's video is actually not intentional, so I decided to record anyway. Here is my current BRZ. Haven't made an update video on it yet, but as you can see, it's filled with snow. I'm still running all-season tires, so we're gonna see how these tires are in the snow. This is the first time ever, I would say, I'm driving it in actual snow. Wheels look badass with the snow on it though. But anyways, yeah, first real snow drive technically. It's not deep, but it's something. So, here we go. Pause. I just want to mention something because I did say that I am not making this video intentionally. What I mean by that is I did not want to drive my car in the snow. I would never drive my car in the snow knowing that I have all-season tires on. Now, I bought all-season tires in case I do get stuck in the snow while I'm working. If I get caught in the snow or whatever, I can at least drive the car home, which in this case is exactly what's happening here. But I wouldn't drive it in the snow intentionally because I know that these cars are not meant for the snow with all-season tires. So just keep that in mind. All right, so let's get into it. Let's do a cold start because we have to warm up the car. This is not good. The snow is pretty damn heavy. Let's put on our seatbelts here. Probably gonna start blasting music in a second, so I gotta turn that down. Oh, here we go. Added a little bit of liquid onto it and it's good. All right, let's go ahead and clear this up. So right off the bat here, gotta turn on some heat. Gonna defrost the side mirrors, even though those are not really frozen, but you know, we'll keep that on. I was gonna make an update video on the car around 10,000 kilometers. I'm at 9,600 right now, so it's a little bit early, but you know, we'll see what's gonna happen here. I know you guys are gonna see it in the camera. It's a little bit weird setup because I don't have a camera at the moment, especially since I'm actually driving from work, not from my home. So let's go ahead and lower the window here. Oh, no, son of a... that's not my plan. That was not my plan. Crap. Okay. That's not good. And if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. I've done some modifications. Yes, I am driving an automatic. A lot of people have problems with that. I don't care. Today, I'm only driving an automatic. I'm not going to be touching the manual mode. And I'm not going to... I don't know if I'm going to touch snow mode because it's not deep snow and I don't have winter tires. Snow mode, all it does is it puts your car into second gear, and that's how you're going to be starting off every single time you press the gas. Other than that, yeah, it's no different. Okay, let's go ahead and set off here. So obviously right off the bat, I'm not feeling shit because there wasn't a lot of snow underneath me. Oh, I can't see crap. Oh yeah, I feel the car wanting to slide a little bit. Let's turn this up because I can't see shit. Oh yeah. Got some sliding. It's actually not bad, pretty controllable. I just gotta drive somewhat slow here. Yep, here we go. Oh man, this is not good. Eyesight's disabled, even better. That's not good. Why did eyesight disable? Let's see. I just hope I don't start sliding when I shouldn't be sliding. You guys know what I mean? Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Yeah, a little bit of gas. Car's sliding quite a bit, man. It is not safe with these tires. I mean, I guess it's safe in a way, but not really. Oh man, that guy's driving like the brand new AMG over there. Well, at least I believe that one's all-wheel drive, man. At least it's all-wheel drive. I have a rear-wheel drive car with all-season tires that are 1 year old now. Yeah, see, like, I'm just gonna wait. Oh no. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You got this. You got this, BRZ. You got this. Oh, it's bad. Oh, it's bad, bad. Gotta turn on the hazards here. Drive a little bit slow. Okay. Turn those off. Gotta keep her at a safe speed. There's going to be an uphill, and I don't know if my car is gonna make it up that hill. I am a little bit afraid. You know what? Let's turn on snow mode. Let's see what snow mode does for us. I'm kind of curious. I didn't think I would need it, but I feel like I need it. So what I'm gonna try and do as well is go on the tracks from the other tires here. I'm not gonna go off lane here, and hopefully I'll be okay. I kind of do wish this car came in an all-wheel drive mode. I don't regret buying this car whatsoever, even though it can't drive in the snow with all seasons, but next year I will get winter tires for this thing. So I have to use my phone in a very awkward way right now. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me take that off for a second here. People are probably thinking, man, this guy's crazy for driving the BRZ. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna try and let you guys see something here. Yeah, so... Oh, I'm stuck. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, this idiot. Yeah, my car doesn't want to go. I'm just sliding right now. Car's not wanting to cooperate. Just light gas. Okay, ladies and gents, I will probably have to call a tow truck because I don't think I can make it. If I stop one more time, I am not making it up that hill, 100%. And I will have to stop because there's a red light in front of me. I'm driving with the hazards on right now to let people know that I'm not really able to properly drive. Like, I'm still driving. Okay, I took the hazards off for now. I'm hoping that I can once again start rolling here. No, this is crazy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Catch, 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 catch. Yep, I feel the grip, I feel the grip. Okay, here we go, here we go. 20 kilometers. I need enough speed to actually clear this this climb. Slow and steady. Yep, I cleared the uphill. Sorry that you guys can't see. I do apologize, but okay, so I cleared the uphill. Now it's the downhill. The downhill is not that bad actually because there's no cars in front of me at the moment. I don't have to use my brakes just yet. I'm just afraid of slipping in general. But I'm keeping it at 30. 30 kilometers is the safe point. Okay, so I decided to put it back on so you guys can see what's happening. Hopefully nothing interrupts us, but you guys will see what's happening with the car a little bit. We'll try and angle it so you guys can see. Okay, here we go, sliding again. Yeah. A little bit gas, a little bit gas. Hazard lights. I'm trying, ladies and gents, I'm trying. Here we go. And we are off. Oh man, I gotta go into the snow now. Oh, that is not good. Let's try and follow some of the tracks here. Give us a tad bit more traction. No one to our left. I can't make that light. Oh no, there's an accident in front of me. I can't make this light. It's kind of fun in a way, but it's not fun at the same time. All right, I gotta start going early. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. And we are clear. Thank God for that. Now let's put the hazards, show people, you know, move to the other lane. I'm slow as shit. Now there's a lot more snow here, so I have to drive extra cautiously. Let this car pass, go to the left a little bit here. I need to get out of the way from that curb. I don't want to hit that curb, obviously. I'm trying to curb my wheels. Let's make the camera straight there. And signal right. We gotta use this momentum to actually get in there. Here we go. Let it roll. Let it roll. Beautiful. Thank God for that. Here we are. All right, let's go outside, see what's up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, these guys did some work. They were pretty good. I don't recommend them in the snow at all. I'm very close to that little spot. Jesus. Okay. Shit. That was something else, man. Different experience. Never experienced that before. The tires did hold out well enough. You know what I mean? But yeah, snow tires, highly recommend. People say that this car's amazing with snow tires, so hopefully that's true. But for the time being, all seasons are not it. Yeah, I never want to experience that again, to be honest. I want to experience the sliding portion. I love sliding this thing. But I want tires to have that grip when it needs it. These just, they didn't want to grip half the time. All right, I got my little funky thing off. I was using this the whole time. But if you guys do end up using all-season tires, I mean, again, these did work, but you have to drive extremely cautiously. Like, it's not the best. You guys probably can't see it. Hold on, let me see if I can change that. Turn on. Oh, I can't even. My battery's low. I can't turn on flash. But yeah, thank you, BRZ, for being such a great car. Now, again, I didn't make an update video on it. I didn't make an update on the modifications I've made to it, but there will be a video coming soon, maybe in the summer. I still have plans for this thing. I still want to put certain things on before I make an official video. And no, that's not my car back there. But anyways, that's it for today's video. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I apologize for some of the POVs not coming out as I wanted. Again, safety first. I had to take the camera off. That's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for more updates on the 2023 BRZ. Now, we're in the year of 2024, and maybe if this thing comes out in 2025 as more like a turbocharged BRZ or GR86, you'll probably see me driving that instead of this one. But, you know, no plans. I have garbage in my hands, so yeah. But yeah, anyways, that's it for today. Thank you, ladies and gents, and see you guys in my next video. Peace out.